This is my custom Murray Track 2. I've done a couple customizations like the brake, and the rest of it is just essentially the bike. Right here in the front, it's a Rupp handlebars with a hydraulic brake. We're going to go down to the tire, and this tire here is a Shinko white wall and a Douglas wheel, a white tank from Honda. We have a Mikuni. I have a fuel pump on it. And if we go here, I have a disc brake. I think this is an 8-inch disc brake. And if you notice here on the frame, we have the hydraulic brake or the brake caliper that I've put it into the frame. Now, and then this is our exhaust pipe and our seat. I've taken off the original cover, and yeah, so this is my customization of the Murray Track 2. I can't take full credit of the build. This is the picture that I first saw that made me want to do this build. So this is a stock Murray that I purchased a while back, and essentially this is what all Murrays look like. So this is the Murray I'm working on. We're going to go ahead and disassemble everything now. Basically, the first step is just take everything apart. So originally it comes with this drum brake here. We're going to go ahead and change this, take this out, and put a hydraulic brake or a disc. So you have about 50 millimeters of spacing here. So I found a disc online, and we're going to go ahead and put this on. Obviously we're going to tighten this up, put some spacing in the bottom, make sure that the caliper fits pretty good here. And that's how we're going to convert it. Then we're going to go into the frame, and we're going to make these holes. I already made them, but basically it's 50 millimeters from here to here to hold the brake in the back, and I'll assemble it and show you. So the front wheel that we have here is a Douglas wheel. It's a 10x2, and the SKU is 750-02, and it's essentially what we use for the front side of the bike. So the old wheel you have, you're just going to go ahead and discard that. Now we're going to look at the Shinko tires, which are the white walls that I get for it. The front tire is a 3.00-10, and also the back tire is a little bit bigger, and that one is a 4.00-8, because that's we're going to use the original rim that the Minibike came with. So the handlebars are a Rupp roadster bike handlebars, and they look like these here. They're small U handlebars, and these are the ones I use. You can use whichever ones you want. They go about $50 to $70 on eBay, and that's where you can find them. So let's put the bike together. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and make a couple more videos like this, so there's more to come.